welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Wednesday Black Dahlia Flower. So the box background is Wednesday and in its dormitory. So now let's open this set. So it's quite small actually. So we have 3 bags of Lego and a sticker and one guidebook. So now let's start first making the dolls. So this is Wednesday and she has a new outfit this time. She's wearing like a hoodie and she has some heels. So now it's as if she's much taller and she has like a painting of a spider. So this is the painting that Xavier drew, right? And he has like abilities making the drawings like making them like real and like come out of the drawing, you know, like that, but he can't actually control his abilities. So there's this watering can with her. So yeah, so that was Wednesday, and there's also Madeline Thornhill. So she's a really creepy person, and she has red shoes, which was like an important clue to like find the truth, you know, like because her shoes are red, it was easy to spot. So anyway, she's holding a small black dahlia, and the way she's holding a scissor is really creepy. I mean, that's the way that all the mini dolls hold the scissors, but her, it looks even creepier. So now let's start building the black dahlia. You know the Madeline Thornhill doll? Her like hair is covering the sides of her face, so it's like her face seems more shadowier and it seems more like pale, so it's even scarier. So we have a faucet here. I guess it's for flowers, and here we also have a very interesting looking plant, and here I'm not too sure what this thing is, but I think it's just a chair because, you know, I didn't really know what that pattern was, but I think it's just like a chair pattern. So this one, it's like a drawer with lots of plants stuck inside it. This is actually very cute because it really looks as if the plants are inside this drawer. It's so cute, you know. So this set is actually very nice, but it's not so nice to play with it. So it's not really that sort of like playing set, you know. It's just like more like decorations, kind of like that. So there's also a yellow flower inside this pretty case. Yeah, so we also have another interesting plant, and there's like these I don't like this, worms. It's so weird. It's the first time I have those like creepy looking worms. I don't like it. So the most interesting plants grow in the shades. So that's what, I guess that's what she said. Yeah, I don't really remember that, but I guess she did. So anyway, that's just what she thinks, and I don't really agree with that actually. So anyway, now we're finally making the inside part. So the things that we made earlier are the stuff that we're going to place inside this place. And this is another sticker, Nevermore Academy. So yeah, this is inside Nevermore. So I think it's actually a quite good idea. Like they made the Black Dahlia flower, and then inside they made the like the, I don't know what to call it exactly, the plant room, should I say? You know, the place where they learn about plants. Yeah, so yeah, that's that place in Nevermore, and this place is that place. And you know, Lego loves doing that, like making plants, and in the plant pot, like the flower pot, inside when you open it, there's a secret place inside. So this set is also kind of like that. So the Black Dahlia flower is what Miss Thorn is the flower that Miss Thornhill gave Wednesday when she first arrived at Nevermore. So actually, I think she was quite satisfied with the flower because it was black, and she loves black color. So we have purple windows and the original transparent windows, and we're putting those 2 colors like that, and it's actually looking pretty nice. And we also have like curved windows. So curved windows are actually kind of easier to plug. The straight ones, your fingers hurt a little bit when you try to put them plug them, I mean. I think like Wednesday season 1 was really scary. I mean, maybe it wasn't so scary to you, but it was actually quite scary to me. Like Wednesday 2 was actually less scarier to me. Like Wednesday 2, 1 was scarier than 2. Maybe I just felt that it was scarier because the last episode of season 1, I watched it just a little bit before I went to sleep, and that night I couldn't sleep at all. Yeah, but after that it was okay, and now I'm not scared at all. But like the memory, I was very scared about that. So the reason I was scared is because of like Miss Thornhill. I don't like her. I don't like her at all. So now we're making 2 round spaces and it's very small. Yeah, and then inside we're going to place the things that we made earlier, like the faucet and those all interesting plants and all those stuffs like the drawer with plants. So yeah, it looks like this, and let me plug all the stuffs inside here. But wait, before that, let me put some decorations up on the top. There you go. It looks really nice, yeah. I like it very much. So now let me place the stuffs. Before that, we also have another plant over here. This one looks very interesting. Yeah, it's very big. Yeah, so yeah, before we place all the things inside, sorry, it's not yet time to plug them. So we're going to place the roof first. The roof first, and after that we're going to fill in the inside. So the upper part is very interesting. So it's a flower pot, but actually it's a very interesting looking flower pot because a flower pot doesn't have small windows. Yeah, but I guess they were trying to make the plant room and the flower pot at the same time, so that's why they made it kind of like that. Yeah, because this one, the windows are transparent, so you can actually see what's inside. So it's not really like a surprise, something like that. But usually when Lego makes like flower pots like this, the flower pots are like not transparent color. But anyway, this one is transparent color, and we placed all the things that we made earlier inside. And so the flower pot is finished, and now on the top we're going to make the big black dahlia. So yeah, this is actually very nice. I kind of feel like making a tree because when I use these pieces, it's mostly when I'm making trees. So anyway, but this is not a tree, it's a flower, but it's a really big flower. It's bigger than the trees that I have. So yeah, it's a black flower, but we actually have quite a lot of navy and purple colors as well. I think this set will be very nice for decorations, yeah, because yeah, I think those flowers are very nice. And actually flower sets are quite expensive too. I mean, all the Legos are expensive, I know that, but this one is not that expensive, and it's a pretty flower as well, even though it's kind of dark. But it'll be very nice for home decorations because some people, maybe they like dark like colors for their houses, and I think that'll be nice. So now we're making a lot of like flower petals, yeah, petal, yeah, I think so. And so this one has like a little bit of purple color, and now we're going to make some more petals, which are just dark navy colors. So we're making navy color 5 of them, purple color 5 of them, so total we have 10 petals. So that one, so yeah, we're using stickers. At first when I saw this set, I thought it'll be actually printed. It's gonna be printed on the Lego piece, but it's actually just a sticker. So yeah, let's see, wait, where is this set? Yeah, there it is. So navy color over here, and there you go. So now we've made all the 10 petals and placed them like this. So it's like purple, navy, purple, navy, purple, navy. There you go. Now it's looking very pretty. Let's plug it to the flower stem. And now we're going to make some more petals. And this one, it's gonna be placed inside the petals that we made earlier. And this one is just navy colors. And we also have like 10 of them. Is it 10? Wait, yeah, I think it's 8. Yeah, it's 8, not 10. So 8 navy petals. There you go, plug it inside here. So now we've made the outside part and the middle part, and now outside part and the middle part, and now time to make the very inner part. And this one is actually very pretty, So we have black and like those like a little bit foggy, transparent, like shiny colors over here, black like this. And we also have to make the same thing in the middle part. And I think this one is very pretty, you know, it's a very nice flower. So I'm not so sure what Black Dahlia flower is exactly. Actually, I've never seen a Black Dahlia, and yeah, so I'm not so sure what sort of flower it is. Maybe it's a rare flower, not so sure. So let's plug the flower inside the pot like this. But if we try to open like this, it doesn't work. So that flower is kind of like a lock. And if it's inside, we cannot open it. And when we open it, we can plug it on the side part. So it's a really nice looking navy flower, and as you can see, it's really looking nice and cozy inside. It's very nice and colorful. I love it. So let me take some photos with this set, like Miss Thornhill and Wednesday inside this set. So it's looking very nice, you know. So it's actually rather hard to play with this set because it's very small and I don't remember the story very clearly actually. So anyway, I think I can plug like the watering can and like scissors in this place like this. I think it's supposed to be like that. Or maybe I'm not supposed to plug the watering can. I'm supposed to plug the little Black Dahlia. Maybe. Ooh, she's so creepy. I don't like it. She's like the sort of face that's gonna give you like nightmares. I think she looks even creepier as a mini doll. I mean, her eyes are so creepy, you know. So anyway, I finished building the Lego Wednesday Black Dahlia set and I hope you liked it. So this is the end of the video and I'll come back with more interesting other Lego sets. So see you next time. Bye bye.